Lots of you have been asking, where has my SR car gone? Or do you even still have it? Do you have it? What's going on with it? What are you doing with it? So here I basically want to show you. I want to show you the condition of the car, what we have planned next, and what the goals are with the car. So yeah, let me just dive right into it. This might be a short video, might be a long video, but mainly I just wanted to show you guys where the current car is and what the condition of the car is at currently. So this is just me coming to the shop after a little bit of cleaning, not really doing, not doing anything to the car, just cleaning around the shop. Just let me show you. Boom! As you can see, the car has no wheels, it's on jack stands, and now has a SR swap, which I teased about for a good bit. But as you can see, got dust on the things, got parts all over the place. But overall, like, pretty good, man. It's pretty. Yeah, there we go. Nothing too crazy, but yeah, just a good old little SR car. I did end up selling my suspension. Yeah, I ended up selling my suspension to Jackson. So shout out Jackson. I got no suspension because of you. Psych. No, I'm joking. It's for a good cause. But yeah, that's the extent of the car. It's in very good condition. Yes, it's got the bumps and dings like every other S chassis. There's a few clean body cars that I wanted to, or like that are still in existence, driving, what have you. So here I kind of wanted to tease a few of the mods that I wanted to basically do here in the coming future. There is quite a bit of them, but first, this thing has a crazy electrical gremlin, which is mind-numbing. I have swapped transmission sub-harnesses, I have swapped wiring harnesses, engine harnesses, I have used power probe. It's got the transmission is grinding the crank, so it's like giving it a slow start. I don't know what's going on there, so that has to be addressed. There's so many things that is an issue that I have to address to basically get this car running and driving, not including even the front end that is basically spot welded off. So let me dive into what you guys can expect from this car, or the mods going into the future, like suspension, wheels, interior mods, and hopefully wiring harness completely from Wiring Specialties. So let me start with the wheels. So don't mind the mess up here. These are the first set of wheels that I'm going to be using. I got a full set of 4. One of these wheels were bent, so I might get it fixed, might not. Yes, they have been scuffed up and beat up, but yeah, I bought these for $70 for the full set, which I'm not complaining about. And then the battles, I ended up trading these, a pair of these, so these are going to be on my fronts, and I traded an $80 transmission for it. And then we got the Manare Riverside Reps, which are 18 wheels, so they're bigger than these, but these are going to be my rears, the main rears that I'm going to be running throughout. And yeah, I got these for $120, so good deal. I think it'll be good. I think this will be freaking sick. And you car guys, if you guys really paid attention to it, those are 5 lug. And if you notice on my car, it is 4 lug. So I do have hubs that are going to be put on after I put the coilovers on. And that'll be in the next video or the next video. So I'm thinking about doing a coilover install video. Do a redemption from my 2nd or 3rd video ever doing it on S chassis. So redemption, I wanted to redo it and do it good and have like a good install video, even though there's like thousands of SR videos, but content is content, so bear with me. Okay, second thing, this is a big one, but this is interior mod. So second mod, don't pay attention to that, don't pay attention. But second mod is the cage. So this is gonna be a non-bolt-in, non-intrusive, or bolt-in, non-intrusive cage that is gonna go inside the car. Don't pay attention to this mess. I'm gonna try to clean this out in the next week. All right, cage. That is number 2. Okay, now we're moving on to 3. So wheels, cage, number 2. 3 is suspension. So I did end up selling or trading and added cash for the suspension off the SR car, so I can get coilovers. So I took this stock suspension off my car, traded them, and $100 cash for these coilovers. So let me show you. These are used coilovers, so don't roast me. I don't make big money where I could buy new parts. So this is new used parts. Okay, so as you can see, 3 coilovers, Raceland coil, or no, Tane coilovers. Tane coilovers, as you can see, I have 3. The fourth one, I might add, is on the car. So I just kind of wanted to see what it would look like, and if I wanted to refinish them, repaint them, but that's how it looks like. Or, man, that's so bright. Let me change it up. Yeah, so that's what it will basically look like. But, sneak peek. Okay, so these are the new 5-lug conversions hubs. So yeah, these I have to put on for me to run those wheels, so we will be putting these on. So that is, what is that, 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth mod. What else? I don't think I'll be really adding anything more, but that should be giving me stiffness, you know, wheels, you know, looking good, you know, all pretty and stuff. And please don't pay attention to the mess around it. Alright, well, I teased you guys already enough. I appreciate you guys watching that. This is the end of the video. I just kind of want to show you guys, update you guys with what's going on in the shop, what we got going on with the SR car, what the plans are, future plans. I kind of wanted to blue ball you guys a little bit. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace out. Bye.